Hey, what's up, Holochain hoarders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Absolutely, first of all, I want to congratulate all Holochain hoarders because now at this time the completely market is going down, but at this time the Holochain and the Bitcoin token as a unique cryptocurrencies, these two coin is only positive, except of this coin, the altcoin is going negative, and the whole market is going wrong, my friends. The Holochain is a unique coin that the whole chain is going positive. You can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, pricing is going positive. Anyways, before starting this interesting video and before talking about more about Holochain, so please I request everyone to please subscribe ABS Tech channel and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, the latest price of the Holochain at this time in the market is 0.008145 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the Holochain in the market. And on the other side, if we talk about the pricings of the Holochain, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, last 1 year pricing is positive, and only the yesterday pricing, sorry, the last 1 week pricing is going wrong, my friends. So my friends, now it is a pumping time of the Holochain, so you have to hold and never make this mistake, my friends, to decide to sell. No, my friends, never make this mistake. If you decide to sell, so absolutely maybe you lose, my friends. I recommend it this time for everyone to it's time to hold, because my prediction is 100% going positive about the Holochain. And now from the chart, my friends, I think that there is a quick jump. Holochain have a plan for a quick jump, my friends. So that is why I recommend for everyone to it's time to holding, my friends, not to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Holochain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.